Okay, now we're looking at seventh grade. Just as before, you have a PowerPoint for you, not a PowerPoint, rather, a lesson plan for you that takes you through what we're going to do. This one's a little bit simpler. Same thing as before, watching CNN 10, and then afterward, um, and the same thing with watching the program on the whiteboard. And then after this, type in this link right here, which will give you a video that overviews the chapter that we're about to read. And then typically in this class, because there's only 5 students, they each get a page to read. Um, so that should work out real well here between 163 to 167. Um, somebody wants to, they can type in Yankee Doodle on YouTube. If you have some time, play it in the background, just kind of set the tone as well, and then go through this. Now, as they read, they are going to maybe just hand them out this. Don't hand them out this until it's time to read, otherwise you'll lose them. So after the CNN 10, after the video, hand them out this, and then encourage them to work on this as you read. And it's okay if they work together, but just watch to make sure that everybody isn't, or that nobody's doing all the work and people are just sitting back and having others do it. So it's a couple pages, it's a front and back, just going over that, and that can get turned in the turn-in bin just for classwork. And there won't be any homework. There's no homework because with the science fair going on, that's the thing. And if you find that you're done early, then you may allow them to do their science fair work. The only problem is they're going to try to get you to do it and go off book. Don't do that. And also, please report to me on how each class does. I told them that you would. One last thing, this class extends a little bit later. And don't worry about the homework for Liddy on that. That'll be fine. All right. So anyhow, for this though, they are to stay in the class until 11:38, just because the lunch line gets a little crazy otherwise, and they understand it. You have President Mayer in the class; he'll see to it, and President Neely too. They'll explain what that means.